Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of Class UKG and the topic name is GIVE give ANSWER answer INNONE1 WORD word. Give answer in one word. So dear children, in this topic I will ask you some questions and you will have to give answer in one word. So, now the first is WHO who, LOVES loves, AND and CARES cares, FOR US us. Who loves and cares for us? So, tell me dear, who loves us and cares for us? Answer is God. G-O-D, God. God loves us and cares for us. Whenever you face any problem, you will face any trouble, that who helps you? God helps you. And in this whole world, the God loves you more and He protects you also. So, who loves and cares for us? God. Now, the next is WHAT what, DO YOUMEAN mean, BY by, CLEANLINESS cleanliness. What do you mean by cleanliness? So, what should be the answer? The answer will be tidy. TIDY, tidy. What do you mean by the cleanliness? Tidy. So, means neat and clean. You can see this boy. In this picture, this boy is neat and clean. He wore clean clothes and you can see the toys are here and he is arranging all the toys. He played, so after playing he is arranging all the toys in the box and he is keeping everything very nicely. So we should not make our surroundings dirty, we should not make our room dirty, we should always be neat and clean. So, what do you mean by the cleanliness? Tidy. TIDY, tidy. Now the next is HOW, how, CAN, can, WEV, SHOW, show, OUR, our, LOVE, love, TO2, GOD, God. How can we show our love to God? Now give me the answer. How can we show our love to God? See, what this girl is doing? Tell me, my dear students. Prayer. So, by praying. Understood? By praying, we can show our love to God. You know, children, prayer is one of the way talking to God. There is great power in prayer. Prayer gives us comfort in pain, gives you the answer you want from God and heal to a broken spirit. Everyone pray to God in their own way. So there are so many different ways to do prayer. So the prayer is talking to God. How can we show our love to God? By praying. Now the next is WHO who, HELPS helps, US us, INN TH is the TIME time, OF of TROUBLE trouble. Who helps us in the time of trouble? Now think, what should be the answer? The answer will be God. G-O-D, God. So, dear students, who helps us in the time of trouble? God. Whenever you face any problem, whenever you will be in any trouble, so you always remember God by heart, and really the God helps us. He never comes directly to you. He sends anyone to help you. So, who helps us in the time of trouble? God helps us in the time of trouble. Now, I would like to teach you the next. See, WHAT, what? Do, O, do. WEV, USE, use. TO2, CLEAN, clean. OUR, our. HAIR, hair. What do we use to clean our hair? So, think, my dear, what should be the answer? Clue is already given. You can see the picture. What is this? This is shampoo. So, the shampoo spelling is SHAMPOO, shampoo. So, what do we use to clean our hair? Shampoo. We use shampoo to clean our hair. I have taught you many things. Cleanliness, that how you will keep our body clean. Which things we use? We use soap, we use shampoo, yes, we use nail cutter, hand wash. So, here that we use shampoo to clean our hair. Now the next is WHO, who, MADE, made, YOU, AND, and ME, me. Who made you and me? Now think, dear, what should be the answer? Who made you and me? The answer will be God. G-O-D, God. Who made you and me? God. In this whole world, whatever the natural things you can see, like sun, moon, animals, birds, the plant, trees, flowers, river. So these all the things who has made? God has made. And the human beings, you, me, everyone, who has made? God has made. So, who made you and me? God made you and me. So, dear children, at home you will learn very nicely these all questions, that whatever I have given, give answer in one word. You will learn very nicely. Thank you.